Good evening, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the topic the importance of newspaper. We means basically know that what is the newspaper. Newspaper is came every day, but we not understand what is the importance of newspaper. Newspaper is only not only the type of paper. Newspaper consists of lots of information about the economics, politicals, and around the world what is happening, and it is the easiest and cheapest way to get all the information of the globe around the world. If you read the newspaper regularly, it is a valuable skill for you, and you can achieve something big in your life. And second thing is that reading the newspaper, it also increase your vocabulary, it also increase your pronunciations speech, it also increase your sentence building, and overall your literature and grammar is also increased. And whenever you should read the newspaper, then your communication skills is also increased. And now we should at different aspect of newspaper means we can say that newspaper we get the information regarding the job opportunity, if there is any job opportunities came or not. And we also seen that lots of advertisement is also came in newspaper, means whenever the any type of product is launched, like the motorcycle and car and the buildings, amenities. So such type of all information is available in newspaper. And the most important thing is that when we read the newspaper, then we get the knowledge and we get the information from the reliable sources. Means what does means it's reliable sources? Reliable sources is that journalist who is means go and collect the information from the ground level. So we get all this information from the journalist, and we get the particular idea that okay, what is happening around the globe. So news, reading the newspaper is the most valuable thing if you want to means grow in future, and if you want to improve your communication skills, and if you want to improve your knowledge as far as politicals concerned, as far as economy, as far as the means other field, and if you want to get ahead from the normal person, so you should read the newspaper. And another thing is that if you read the newspaper, then you get an knowledge that what is means happening with the other person. So for example, if the person is means reading the newspaper regularly, so he get the idea that what type of crime is happening in the society. For example, we have seen that in the, especially I am talking about the practical example, that Ahmedabad there is the auto rickshaw, means what they are trying, uh, they have the particular gang means the person means said that can you means they sit the means they take the passenger, and after that there is a two passenger and one driver, they have their own gang. And what happened, that passenger is sit on the middle seat, and they are sitting beside one here and the second on the right. So what they do means they means very carefully they means using their hand and remove their mobile phone. After that means auto driver said that okay, means he make an excuse that okay, this is our last stop, okay, and I cannot drop you to your destination. After that they means keep their phone, and they ride the auto with speed. So these things is happening in a practical way. And second thing is that whenever you should be able to get the more information, so you should be become more confidence, and your success rate will also high, and you become means proactive on the gaining the information. And if the person is not read the newspaper, then he does not get any idea that what is happening around the world. So I am requested you that friend, you should give your quality time to reading the newspaper. And apart from that, if the person is read the news, then he get the economic policy, international policy, foreign policy, and he also get some type of idea that what is the market. A person is also get the information about the share market, commodity market. So all this information is in your fingertip. And now we are living in the digital world. Before the means 10 year ago, 15 year ago, the role is the we can say that print media, but now the digital media is totally changed. Now paper is came in the form of e-paper or electronic paper, so it is very easily accessible. And now in India there is a many type of application is also there. Yes, I have remembered the name of this one application. The name of this application is Shorts, who can provide the means news information in only the 60 word. It can save you a lot of time. It can cover all your means customized category. For example, if you want the political science, so they can provide the political information. If you're interested in the sport, they have also the sports section. If you're interested in the entertainment, they can provide entertainment. And if you're interested in the learning and technology, so they have the customized section is also available. So if you want to get all this information, that they can be provided you. So overall we can conclude this topic that means importance is very much reading the newspaper. So I am humble request you, all of you, that you should start reading the newspaper on daily basis. It also not increase your confidence, it also increase your knowledge of productivity, knowledge of improvement, and knowledge of learning skills. Thank you very much, friend, for giving your quality time to me.